MCQ number 14. Two classes have the same mean score of 75. Class A has a standard deviation of 2, while Class B has a standard deviation of 10. Which statement is correct? Class A scores are more spread out. Letter B. Class B scores are more consistent. Letter C. Class A scores are closer to the mean. Letter D. Both classes have the same variation. MCQ number 15. The range of a dataset is 30. What does this mean? A. The data values deviate by 30 on average. Letter B. The middle 50% of values span 30 units. Letter C. The difference between highest and lowest values is 30. Letter D. The most common score is 30. MCQ number 16. A researcher calculated interquarter range IQR of 12. What does this imply? A. The entire dataset spans 12 units. Letter B. The middle 50% of the data values are spread across 12 units. Letter C. The mean is 12. Letter D. The most frequent value is 12. MCQ number 17. In a dataset of test scores, the variance is 0. What can be interpreted? Letter A. All scores are the same. Letter B. All scores are spread equally. Letter C. The scores are highly variable. Letter D. Half of the scores are above 0. MCQ number 18. The standard deviation of salaries in Company A is smaller than in Company B. What can be concluded? Letter A. Salaries in Company A are more consistent. Letter B. Salaries in Company B are closer to the mean. Letter C. Salaries in Company A vary more. Letter D. Salaries in both companies are equal. MCQ number 19. A dataset with extreme outliers will most likely affect which measure the most? A. The mean. B. Median. C. Mode. D. IQR. MCQ number 20. The interquarter range of two datasets is compared. Data X has IQR of 5, while dataset Y has IQR equal to 20. What interpretation can be made? A. Dataset is more spread than dataset Y. Letter B. Dataset Y has more consistent values. Letter C. Dataset Y has greater variability in the middle 50%. Letter D. Both datasets have the same distribution. The answer key for quarter 2, Data and Probability, Lesson 18, Interpreting Measures of Central Tendency and Variability in Data Analysis. For numbers 1 to 5. Number 1, B, mean. Number 2, B, mode. Number 3, C, mode. Number 4, B, median. Number 5, B, median. Number 6, the correct answer is B, mode. Number 7. The correct answer is C. The average performance of students is 75. Number 8. A 50% of students scored above and 50% is scored below this value. Number 9, C, it is approximately symmetric. Number 10, the correct answer is C. The most frequent shoe size is 9. Number 11, the correct answer is C. The range. Number 12, the correct answer is A. The scores are very close to each other. Number 13, the correct answer is B. The scores are widely spread from the mean. Number 14, the correct answer is C. Class A's scores are closer to the mean. Number 15. The correct answer is letter C. The difference between highest and lowest values is 30. Number 16. Letter B. The middle 50% of the data values are spread across 12 units. Number 17. The correct answer is A. All scores are the same. Number 18. The correct answer is A. Salaries in Company A are more consistent. Number 19. Letter A. Mean. Number 20. Letter C. Data set Y has greater variability in the middle 50%. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.